Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese onion quiche. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and prepare a 9-inch tart pan. Start by blind baking the crust until lightly golden to prevent sogginess. Caramelize onions slowly to develop deep, sweet flavor. Grate sharp cheddar and combine with eggs and cream, seasoning lightly. Pour into the warm crust and bake until set but slightly jiggly in the center. Heat a skillet and cook one large sliced onion slowly, stirring until deeply caramelized and sweet. In a bowl, whisk 4 large eggs with 1 cup heavy cream, 1 teaspoon salt, and a pinch of black pepper until smooth. Stir in 1½ cups grated sharp cheddar so the cheese distributes evenly. Let the custard rest 5 minutes to allow bubbles to settle before pouring into the pre-baked crust for even baking. Slide the filled tart pan into a 375 degrees F oven and bake 35 to 45 minutes until the center barely jiggles and edges are golden. Remove and cool on a rack for about 15 minutes so the custard sets for neat slices. Use a thin knife to cut, wiping between slices if desired. Serve warm or at room temperature with a crisp green salad to balance the rich, savory flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.